Example 7. Okay, so we have to solve for x. So first thing we're going to do, draw a line down our equal sign. Then we're going to always look for distributive property first. So I see a number right next to the parentheses over here, so I know I have to distribute that. I have to multiply the 2 times everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to draw a rainbow. So I remember whatever, draw a rainbow so that I know I have to multiply the beginning and end of each rainbow. So I have 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 8 is positive 16. And I'm going to bring all the rest down. Okay, so I did my distributive property, so I'm done with that part. Second thing I look for is combining like terms. So remember, you can combine like terms when they're over here. I can combine anything that I can, or on this side. I cannot cross the line. So on this side, I have negative 5 plus 7 that are like terms. So I'm going to bring down my negative 5x. Just brought that down, and I have negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2 is equal to 2x plus 16. They are not like terms, so I'm just going to bring them down. Okay, so my next step is to get letters to the left. I'm going to move all my x's to one side of the equal sign, and I'm going to move all of my plain old numbers, my constants, to the other side. So I'm going to start with the 2. It's a positive 2, so to get rid of it or make it add up to 0, I have to subtract 2. Whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So I have negative 5x minus 2x is negative 7x. I'm going to bring down that positive 2 equals 2x minus 2x adds up to 0, so I get to cross them out. And then I got to bring down my positive 16. Okay, so now all of my x's are on one side of the line, so I have to get my plain old numbers, my constants, on the other side. So I have to get rid of a plus 2. So to move a plus 2, I'm going to subtract 2. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm going to bring down my 7x. 2 minus 2 adds up to 0, so I get to cross those out, is equal to 16 minus 2 is 14. Last step, divide by the number attached to your variable. So you're going to divide by the exact number, so you're going to divide by negative 7. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. My negative 7's cancel out, and I have x is equal to a positive divided by a negative is a negative, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. So I know that x is equal to negative 2.